How do you even use it?
Lucky Baba.
How do I use it? It's kind of hard to explain, but I need a viewer that uses it.
Shut up. I'm using
Hey,
Lucky Baba.
if you catch me a bluegill, let me use it. Yeah, if you catch bluegills, don't waste it. We'll put them on our Catch me a bluegill, Colin. Connor, why again should I reel this in slowly?
So a fish can get it. Reeling it in slowly makes it seem like it's a lazy fish.
Hey, do you have a big
And the bass won't want that.